Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself, Rafaqat Ali, and we are going to start week 4 today according to the study sequence, and this chapter 2 and week 4 lesson 1. You can find out in your lesson plan this short review for your revision works. If you feel any problem anytime, you can go on this lesson and you can revise it. The short review I'm going to record for you. The chapter 2 is about the equation, inequalities and formula. In equations, inequalities and formula, the all things we will explain in this chapter. The more names for the numbers, the first introductory lines, the natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and the numbers 3 fraction 2 over 5, 89.701 are not capable of describing every situation. For example, to describe the temperature above and below zero, the things which we need negative and positive cannot be described by these natural numbers. So for freezing point, we need negative values. The freezing point of water, we need positive numbers and negative numbers. For temperature, same like we need positive numbers and negative numbers. To represent the sea level, positive numbers and negative numbers. Negative numbers represents the lower part of the sea or underwater, and the positive numbers represents the sea above the sea level, below the sea level and above the sea level. Above the sea level represents positive numbers and below the sea level represents negative numbers. These are called directed numbers. Where there is positive and negative numbers, it is called directed numbers. Directed numbers are not necessarily whole numbers. It doesn't mean always it will be whole number. It can be in the decimal, it can be in the form of fraction. It means that 1.2 kilometers. 1.2 kilometers mean 1 complete kilometer, and 2 out of 10. 2 parts out of 10 is representing 1.2 kilometers. Then we will come to the directed numbers, how we can use it. See here, let me on my board. It will be easy for us to explain on it. This is a number line. Right side increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, and the left side -1, -2, -3, -4. If we are on the right side, 2 is lesser than 4, like 1 is lesser than 4, 3 is lesser than 4. It means that on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. All the values to this side are lesser than 4, and all the values to this side is greater than -4. So that -2 is greater than -4, and -1 is also greater than -4. This is very important point I want to tell you. -4 is not greater than -2. Here the process is reverse. -2 is greater than -4. -4 is lesser than -2. We will use the same arrow for this purpose. So 4 is greater than 2 and 2 is lesser than 4. So with this rule we will follow this. On the number line, we can interpret positive numbers as positions to the right of 0 and negative number as the position to the left of 0. So that's why 2 is lesser than 4. So -4 is lesser than 2. Here the relation will reverse. Here the relation will reverse due to this minus sign. Conversely, if C is the right of D, then C is greater than D. And keep in your mind, when we multiply minus value by minus value, it will become plus. When we add minus value by minus value, these values will become plus, but the sign will be minus. Here this multiply, this addition or subtraction, keep in your mind this multiplication, this addition or subtraction. Most of the time student do the mistakes. So when there is two values are subtracting with each other, you will add the values and sign will be negative. But when two negative signs come together, it will become positive. Same rule for the division. Minus 4 divided by 2, answer will be minus 2. Rather this minus is down or minus is up, answer will be minus. If both values are minus, minus 4 minus 2, so answer will become plus. If we multiply minus 2 by minus 3, answer will become plus 6. So you should keep in your mind these things, so it will be easy for you to understand. Important line, if the signs are the same, the result is positive. If the signs are different, the result is negative. Here question number 1, 3 is greater or lesser than minus 1. Definitely 3 is greater than minus 1. This 8 minus 10, 8 minus 10 equal minus 2. Why minus 2? Because the difference is 2 and the bigger value is minus. The difference between 8 and 10 is 2 and the bigger value is minus, so that's why it will take negative sign. Question number 12, minus 3 plus 5 minus 2. See, these two values are negative values, so you can add that minus 5, answer plus 5. Now minus 5 plus 5 equal 0. The next is, for example, minus 5 multiply minus 7. Now these values are multiplying and both have negative sign, so answer will be positive 35. And the same here, minus 12 divided by 6. One value positive, one negative, and division. So 12 divided by 6, 2. Answer will be minus 2. You can take the help with calculator for all these issues. Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's lesson finished. See you inshallah.